The world's oceans are in constant motion, driven by the relentless force of wind and tides. This kinetic energy, embodied in the ceaseless rise and fall of waves, represents a vast and largely untapped source of renewable energy. Imagine harnessing this power, the sheer force of a crashing wave transformed into electricity, cleanly and sustainably. This is the promise of wave power. For centuries, humans have harnessed the wind for sailing and the sun for warmth. Now, as we face the urgent need to transition away from fossil fuels, the ocean presents itself as a new frontier in renewable energy. Unlike wind and solar, which are intermittent and dependent on specific weather conditions, wave energy offers a more consistent and predictable source of power. The ocean never sleeps, and its waves carry the potential to fuel our future. While still in its early stages of development, wave power technology is rapidly advancing. From giant buoys bobbing off the coast to submerged devices that harness the ocean's subtle movements, engineers and scientists are constantly innovating to unlock the full potential of this abundant resource. The journey towards a future powered by the ocean's energy has begun, and it is a journey filled with promise and possibility. The challenge of harnessing wave power lies in efficiently converting the kinetic energy of moving water into usable electricity. This is where wave energy converters, or WECs, come into play. These ingenious devices come in various shapes and sizes, each designed to capture the ocean's energy in different ways.
One prominent type is the oscillating water column, or OWC. Imagine a partially submerged chamber with an opening below the waterline. As waves enter and exit this chamber, they push the air inside, creating pressure fluctuations. This air, in turn, drives a turbine connected to a generator, producing electricity.
Another innovative approach is the Wave Dragon, a floating platform resembling a giant ramp. Waves are funneled up the ramp and into a reservoir located above sea level. The water in this reservoir then flows back into the sea through turbines generating electricity. These are just two examples of the many ingenious WEC designs being developed and tested around the world. When comparing wave power to other renewable energy sources like wind and solar, several key differences emerge. One of the most significant advantages of wave power is its consistency. Unlike wind, which can be fickle and unpredictable, ocean waves offer a more reliable energy source. The ocean never truly sleeps, and while wave intensity may fluctuate, the energy is always present.
Furthermore, wave energy boasts a higher energy density compared to wind and solar. This means that a smaller geographical footprint is required to generate the same amount of power. While vast solar farms and sprawling wind turbine arrays are often needed, wave energy converters can be deployed in more concentrated areas, potentially minimizing land use conflicts.
However, it's important to acknowledge that wave power technology is not without its challenges. The harsh marine environment, with its corrosive saltwater and powerful storms, poses significant engineering hurdles. The cost of developing, deploying, and maintaining wave energy converters remains a barrier to widespread adoption, especially when compared to the relatively mature wind and solar industries.
Section 4. Advantages of wave energy. Consistency and environmental friendliness. Despite the challenges, wave power offers several compelling advantages that make it an attractive option for a sustainable energy future. As previously mentioned, its consistency and predictability set it apart from other renewable sources like wind and solar.
This reliability makes it easier to integrate wave power into the electricity grid, reducing the need for extensive energy storage solutions. Moreover, wave energy is an environmentally friendly energy source. Unlike fossil fuels, it does not produce greenhouse gas emissions or contribute to air pollution.
While concerns about potential impacts on marine life need to be carefully addressed, wave energy generally has a smaller environmental footprint compared to traditional energy sources. The potential benefits of wave power extend beyond electricity generation. Some wave energy converters are designed to double as breakwaters, protecting coastlines from erosion and storm surges. This multifunctionality adds to the appeal of wave power as a sustainable solution for both energy and coastal protection.
Section 5. Challenges and considerations: cost, technology, and environmental impact. While wave power holds immense promise, it's crucial to acknowledge the challenges and considerations associated with its development. One of the primary hurdles is cost. The technology is still relatively new, and the initial investment required for research, development, and deployment is significant.
As with any emerging technology, economies of scale are expected to drive costs down over time, but at present, wave power remains more expensive than more established renewable energy sources. Another challenge lies in the technical complexities of operating in the harsh marine environment. Saltwater corrosion, strong currents, and powerful storms pose significant engineering challenges.
Ensuring the durability and longevity of wave energy converters in these demanding conditions is crucial for their long-term viability. Furthermore, while generally considered environmentally friendly, the potential impact of wave energy converters on marine life needs to be carefully assessed. Noise pollution, habitat disruption, and entanglement risks must be mitigated through thoughtful design and deployment strategies.
Section 6. The future of wave power, a key player in the renewable energy mix. Despite the challenges, the future of wave power looks bright. As research and development continue to advance and as the costs of technology decrease, wave power is poised to play an increasingly important role in the global transition to a sustainable energy future.
Its consistency, high energy density, and potential for multifunctionality make it an attractive option for coastal communities and island nations, particularly those with limited land availability for large-scale wind or solar installations. The transition to a clean energy future requires a diversified approach, and wave power has earned its place alongside other renewable energy sources.
As we continue to explore the vast potential of the ocean, wave power stands as a beacon of hope, offering a glimpse into a future where the very forces of nature power our world in a sustainable and harmonious way.